Well, it snowed at Hiddenwell Farms. Supposed to get more snow tonight. It's starting to really get cold out here. It's about 22 right now. I'm not sure what the low was supposed to be today, but I noticed that I got a hen running loose out there. I don't know if that's one of my hens that's naturally running free or if there's one that's gotten out of the pen, but I guess me and Susan's gonna walk over there and check it out, see where she's supposed to come from. This old winter needs to go away, but boy, it sure is pretty.